guys, Coach D here. Welcome to the Garage Gym Fitness. In today's episode, what we're going to talk about is doing front squats. Now, I posted a video a long time ago about using some straps to do front squats. So I'm going to kind of redo that video for some of you guys to kind of get a view of why they're important. Now, the benefit of front squatting is you're going to get more target in your quads, and it's going to be a little bit easier where the bar is placed on you as far as shifting the weight. So slightly different from doing high bar back squatting. Now, when we talk about ease of getting into the bar, we're going to use these straps today. Some people have enough flexibility at their hands and their shoulders to get underneath the bar, and some people can't. They have to do the front rack. The biggest difficulty with front squatting is the bar being right here and keeping the bar up. So sometimes using these straps or a towel that's cut in half or something that you can use to wrap around makes it a little bit easier. So first thing, we're going to take this guy like so, and all I'm going to do is loop him through. Boom, just like that. I'm going to do the same thing to our guy over here. And now we have this on the bar. So if I had issues, like if I couldn't get my hands underneath, get my fingers in this position, and I couldn't really reach back, these straps will make it a little bit easier for me to get there, because all I have to do now is grab them like so, and I'm going to grab a little closer here, and lift them up just like this. And so now I'm holding the front squat. I'm going to turn a little bit so I don't crush everything. I'm holding the front squat with this bar. So if I wanted to do a little mini squat here, boom, we're holding that position here. Now talking to holding the bar for a front squat is a little challenging here, but it's really just with that hand play. So if your hands can't reach back here, using these straps will be a good avenue for you to do a front squat. All right, guys? Hope that helps you. If you have any questions, let me know.